It's time, my friends. We're going to get our houses decluttered and organized this year, and we're going to start with a bookcase. Let's take a quick trip to Dollar Tree where we're going to pick up quite a few of these black fabric boxes. Next is over to the Dollar Tree craft section where we'll pick up some blue, brown, and black faux leather sheets. In Dollar Tree's beauty section, we'll pick up some of these heatless rollers as well as some foam pool noodles. If you have a cluttered or disorganized space like this bookshelf that just makes you feel like the whole room is cluttered, I'm going to show you how to create hidden storage with Dollar Tree products. In this simple project for more hidden storage, I am going to transform the simple Dollar Tree fabric boxes. And first, I'm going to cut the pool noodles to the height of the box. For just $1.25, you can get this long length of narrow foam by taking the cover off those heatless hair rollers. We'll do the same as we did with the pool noodles by cutting those foam rollers to the height of that fabric box. Continue cutting with a serrated knife so that you can half each of those foam pieces, and please be really careful with this step. We're going to transform these foam pieces into faux book spines by covering them with that vinyl leather. If you want to keep this really simple and quick, you can use all of the foam pool noodles and it fits 5 half pieces going across. But I wanted to mix the size of my book spines to make it look a little bit more realistic. For the next step in creating this hidden storage from Dollar Tree, you'll want to measure the vinyl pieces and cut them so that they completely cover those foam pieces. For the larger pool noodle foam, I created a white book end for the top and bottom of the pool noodle by just tracing those onto a piece of white poster board. I glued those pieces of white poster board to the ends of the pool noodle, and you'll see how this affects the end product. Over the years, I have been on again, off again with these bookcases because they're solid wood. They're really great construction, and I didn't want to get rid of them, but the dark color just isn't the same as the other items I had in this room, and so it really didn't fit in. But the new trend in decor is called the moody aesthetic, which means darker pieces, kind of a Victorian trend. So I decided just to go ahead and embrace these dark wood bookcases and make them look like they fit in with the rest of the decor. Next, it's time to get out your glue gun and glue sticks because we are going to go through quite a lot of them in this project. Start by creating a finished edge on each end of that faux leather vinyl and gluing that in place. And then you'll want to glue the vinyl wrapped around each book spine. This project is so much easier if you have a cordless glue gun, and I'll be linking to that in my comment section and in my video description below. I chose to use the colors of brown, black, and navy blue on each of these boxes, but you can use whatever colors please you. It would also be fun to create faux titles for these books if you have a Cricut or a labeling machine, or just rub on labels. But I didn't want to get into that. I wanted to make this a quick and easy project for you, so I left all my book spines just plain. Finish this project by cutting off any stray edges or pieces of glue gum that might have gotten stuck in there. And as you can see, I varied the height just a little bit of those book spines to make this project look even more realistic. Dollar Tree fabric boxes are not the sturdiest, but by adding this reinforcement of these faux book spines, they're actually pretty sturdy, and I think they look high-end. Here are some ideas to use these boxes to declutter and organize your house. Dollar Tree has just put out some new Lucite organizing boxes, and we're going to use them inside of the fabric boxes from Dollar Tree to organize and corral my dog Bella's dog toys. If you have a morning routine like I do that includes reading scripture or meditation or journaling, this is a great way to organize a little space to keep all the materials you need in one place. This Dollar Tree storage secret is also a great way to corral your games, your cards, and all those miscellaneous things that you might see as clutter in a living space. We live in an 1,100 square foot rental, and so we don't have a lot of extra space for games and puzzles, but these fabric boxes from Dollar Tree are the perfect size to fit 1,000-piece puzzles. Now's the fun part. We're going to go back to Dollar Tree and look for decor pieces that are going to fit that moody decor theme. I started with the books that I had, and some of these I actually got at Dollar Tree over the years. and removed the covers to those that had brown, black, or navy blue spines. Stacking these books next to our faux book spines makes them look so much more realistic. And did you know that those square art pieces from Dollar Tree exactly camouflage your square puzzle boxes? These clear, flickering pillar candles are a dupe for Pottery Barn. They come in 3 different colors. I'm going to show you all 3 colors, but if you see these and you want to update your space, they are a great bargain from Dollar Tree. Sticking with those darker color schemes is really creating a cohesive bookshelf in that moody decor. I also found some beautiful new frames that look like velvet, as well as unfinished wood frames and some of these dark black frames. Don't skip the frame section at Dollar Tree. I am going to group 3 of these black frames in different textures and sizes. I think January is a great time to decorate because we've just received all those holiday pictures and cards, and it's a wonderful time to put those in frames. For the finishing piece to this decluttering and organizing project, I'm going to shop my home and use items I already own. I found this trophy-shaped vase on the curb actually for trash, and I fell in love with it, but the flowers were not in such great shape. So I'm replacing them with these faux fern picks from Walmart. If any of you notice I sound a little tired and my voice is a little bit scratchy, it's because I've been helping my mother-in-law this week. She's recovering from a knee replacement surgery. So if you have had that surgery or helped someone who has had it, please give me all your recovery tips. She did really well. We were so proud of her. But as you know, if you've been through this, the recovery is not the easiest. So I need all the help I can get. We are so excited to help her get her mobility back. She's had trouble with this knee for a long time. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome. We love to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. I'm Shannon, and I am here to help you declutter and organize your house no matter what the size. We want to love the house we have, not keep wishing that we lived somewhere else. Comment below and let me know where you could use this Dollar Tree DIY small storage space hack. If you would use it in your living room like I did, or if you have another room of your house where it would work really well. If you haven't already, I'd love to have you subscribe. We have so much coming up. We're going to get our houses decluttered and organized this year and have a lot of fun doing it. I have a lot of giveaways for you this year of items that are absolutely incredible, and I'm so excited to show you all the organization hacks that I have for you this year, no matter whether you live in a rental, whether you own your home, whether you're trying to declutter it or organize it, or just make the most of the space that you have. Instead of an eyesore in this living space, I now have a beautiful, budget-friendly bookshelf with a lot of hidden storage. No one's ever going to guess what is hidden in those faux bookshelf boxes. If you've been here a while, you know that I define organization in several ways, but one of them is that your home is visually relaxing. So those cluttered bookshelves were definitely not visually relaxing when my husband and I spent time in this room. But now in the evening, we can turn those beautiful flickering candles on, and it definitely helps put us in a relaxed mood as we look around that room. The other thing I'm hoping that this helps us to do is, instead of watching TV, play some games. And those games and puzzles are so much easier to get out now and put away, knowing that we have them at the tip of our fingers. I am going to be linking to these items and similar items in the description box, as well as the pinned comment. So if you like this look, you'll be inspired by checking out my store. Also, I don't want you to forget that no matter what you're facing today, or what obstacles are in front of you, do not give up.